So we are walking to the Hoover Dam. It's hot as fuck right now.
It's hot. Hey, so we outside today. Welcome guys. So we're going to the Hoover Dam. Oh shit, it's a Hoover.
He said, woo! It's hot as fuck. It's hot as fuck out here.
Hoover Dam. I'm fucking dead.
We've spotted a duck. Oh, fuck, babe, it's hot.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully we don't dehydrate out here. But it looks so crazy though.
Mail. Oh my god, what happened to the sun?
Oh hell no. Oh my god, that shit looks crazy. We're just gonna walk in, no?
Yeah. Have you seen him throw that basketball?
Oh.
When you spin it? Look at that.
Oh, that shit looks good.
Not looking away.
I don't understand how these are built. Like, where did the water go when we were building them? Did they go underwater?
Yeah, they probably had to.
Yeah. Yeah.
That tree right here? Right
Yeah, one screenshot and I'll full send it and I put a screenshot.
He won't.
I can even look down the hill. You can look down parking lot up there and you can walk across the bridge. I feel like I have a kink leg up there.
It looks beautiful from here.
That's a little scary though.
You know if anybody's ever done free jump off that? No. That should be kind of crazy.
Yeah, you would think that when you're up there too.
Yeah.
Like, damn.
Because it seems high enough someone
Edgar.
gets free jumping and 800 off of it. 800 feet? Damn.
Hey, Mammy, this makes my ass my lunch.
Ew. It looks so crazy, guys.
It's just an earthquake right now and this shit just starts.
Dude, why the fuck would you say that? Oh my god, dude, why?
Have you seen that already?
Yeah, I don't want to go I'll give you $1 if you jump.
Bitch, $1? Oh my god.
$2 if you do a backflip.
She swears.
Wait, you guys want a photo with everyone? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks dope.
Oh, you can go on boats here? Oh, that's fucking bad. We should do that. Yeah.
Right now?
Nah,
Wait, is that the one that connects with, is that my...
That shit looks crazy.
when I was working out there, they
wait,
were working
that's
shit like this.
Yeah?
They just pump out of that.
Like you fight boats, you can jump set it?
Emily said a fucking $1.
Oh, it's just a restaurant.
Well, it's cold, so hold on. Let me cool off real quick.
Let them know.
Yeah, I don't recommend 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I don't know if, no, 10 out of 10 do not recommend. It's 103 fucking degrees right now. And
Hyperventilating.
yeah, my sister almost passed out. And I don't know if I can make it. Angel might have to get the car.
We're like,
I know. Do you recommend it?
it was cool. Maybe come in like October because it's fucking hot right now.
Maybe if it's ever snowing, we'll come back.
Drink lots of water, bring water, and bring extra water so you can.
Oh my god. Alright. Never again. What about you, babe?
Huh?
What do you think?
It's really cool. It's all mental. It's not that hard.
It's fucking hot.
Shit, that's funny.
God damn.
Yeah. Yeah, we should.
It's beautiful though. Let me see.
Maybe this will sweat my rolls off. These are so cool.
I'm looking for the fucks I give. Hey, you hate me? Come and kill me, Julian.
Oh shit.
Come kill me.
These are cute.
You should get Isaiah a bracelet.
Let me see. Oh, these are cute.
That's about the diet coke.
Does anybody have a dog?
Stop.